When do absolute value inequalities use and versus or? Imagine you are trying to find all the numbers that are close to zero or far away from it. How you connect the parts of your inequality depends on what you want to describe. When solving absolute value inequalities, understanding whether to use and or is key. Absolute value tells us how for a number is from zero on the number line, regardless of whether it's positive or negative. If you see an inequality with a less than sign, like absolute value of x is less than a certain number, it means the distance from zero is less than that number. For example, if the absolute value of x is less than 3, then must be between -3 and +3. This creates a range of numbers that are close to zero. To write this as a single statement, you combine two inequalities with and. It looks like this: -3 is less than x, and is less than 3. This means is inside the interval from -3 to 3. The solution includes all numbers between those 2 points. Now, if you see an inequality with a greater than sign, like absolute value of x is greater than 4, it means the distance from 0 is more than 4. So, x can be less than -4 or greater than 4. These are two separate parts, and you connect them with or. This indicates that is outside the interval from -4 to 4. The solution is all numbers less than -4 or greater than 4. The reason for this difference is that absolute value measures distance, which can go into directions on the number line. When the inequality is less than or equal to, the numbers must satisfy both conditions at the same time. That's why you use and. But when the inequality is greater than or equal to, the numbers satisfy either condition, so you use or. To sum up, if the inequality involves less than or equal to, rewrite it with and, because the numbers are inside a certain range. If it involves greater than or equal to, rewrite it with or, because the numbers are outside that range. This approach makes solving absolute value inequalities easier and helps you picture the solution on the number line. Remember, and connects conditions that must happen together, while or connects conditions where either one can happen.